Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to find the center of a circle in Photoshop for many ways. I have a circle. Step 1. Press Ctrl T. Now see the show center. Or and step 2. Select the circle. Hold Ctrl. Align middle. Then go to View tab. New guide 50%. Now see this show or center. And the last way, create a new layer. Hold Shift, press Ctrl Z for duplicate, press Ctrl T. '90°, then hold Ctrl, select double or middle, press Ctrl Z, press Ctrl, select. Now we can see this show center of a circle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.